an MQ-9 drone of the U.S. Air Force, was downed in Yemen early on Friday, as confirmed by a military official from the U.S. who corrected initial reports that suggested it had gone down off the coast. The incident is currently under investigation, and no injuries have been reported. The Houthi rebels, supported by Iran, have claimed responsibility for the downing of the drone on Friday. Since November, the Houthis have successfully targeted 2 additional MQ-9 drones, both incidents occurring off Yemen's coast, with the first in early November and another in February. The Congressional Research Service estimates the cost of each drone at approximately $30 million. The U.S. military deploys these drones over and near the coast of Yemen as part of its strategy to protect both commercial and military vessels from Houthi-initiated assaults. Following the commencement of hostilities between Israel and Hamas, the Houthis have launched or threatened assaults on over 100 vessels, both commercial and military, in the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden. The Houthis assert that their actions are in protest of Israel's conflict with Hamas and the support provided by the U.S. to Israel, although U.S. officials have noted that many of the targeted ships have no links to Israel. In response, the U.S. and the UK, with backing from other nations, have executed 4 series of combined airstrikes aimed at dismantling Houthi capabilities within Yemen. Moreover, the U.S. military routinely carries out defensive strikes against Houthi-launched missiles and drones when preparations for an attack by the Houthis are observed. Additionally, the U.S. has initiated Operation Prosperity Guardian, a defensive maritime campaign involving over 20 allied nations, with the goal of safeguarding commercial vessels from Houthi attacks. To date, only a single assault by the Houthis has resulted in fatalities. In March, an offensive against the Liberian-flagged merchant ship True Confidence led to the death of 2 crew members. Although there has been a decrease in the frequency of attacks in recent times, they persist, including an incident on Thursday where the Houthis fired an anti-ship ballistic missile into the Gulf of Aden. According to a statement from the U.S. Central Command, this attack did not result in any injuries or damage. Earlier in the month, Pentagon Deputy Press Secretary Sabrina Singh stated that the U.S. is committed to continuing all necessary actions to ensure the safety of commercial navigation through the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden, and to protect its military personnel.